Alice, these are important. Get it out the way or get it over with. It
And
means that you finish something that needs to be done now, right? Don't
oh,
wait till later.
I know it.
So it's
But
kind of like
I'm not
this.
that kind of person. I'm not that step. I,
You're not that kind of person.
yeah, I wait, and
Oh no, that's bad. That's not a good quality. Alice, Alice, look, believe me, I love a lot of things about you. You're great. You're a wonderful person. I think I just found a bad quality though. Yeah, yeah. I think I just found a bad quality.
silent quality. Okay,
Yeah.
get it over with.
Get it over with.
Get it
I
over
love I love getting it over with.
with.
Just do it now so you don't yeah, with. You do it now so you don't have to do it later. That's the best thing.
Get it
Yes.
get it
Get it
out.
over with.
Get it
Get it
over.
over with.
Get it
Yes. Or get it out the way. Get it out the way. Get it over with.
way. Get it out the way. The way.